Yeah, at Ferguson, we focus on building unique window systems, cutting-edge technology incorporated into beautiful structures. And we can do that because we have an enormous support team as well as a dedicated rope team. And with that, it gives us the opportunities to navigate really unique structures. With that comes a ton of training, a ton of rescue training, really difficult access stuff, and we've been using that to do more cost-effective construction. So today, for example, we lifted a 14-foot by 4.5-foot window up the side of a building, as opposed to hiring out a crane and closing down multiple lanes of traffic. We were able to do it just with equipment we already have on hand. The way that we hoisted up the window was kind of in a three-stage system where we started away from the window and we had to bypass a lower subroof. So how we did that was we took 2 trucks, anchored ropes off of it using a dual tension line system going up to the roof. And then we had a main line hooked up to a winch hooked up to our floor crane. And then we had a backup line hooked up to the fall protection anchors on the rooftop. And as we lifted it, the tension lines kept it away from the building up until we got above that subroof. And then we detensioned that, and the window crate landed on the installed wheels, and then we just rolled it all the way up the slope using the backup in the main line. So at any point, if anything went wrong, we still have multiple systems in place to catch it. By the time we got it up to the top, all we had to do was just clear the parapet and wheel the whole crane unit back, and it went about as good as it could. The systems we built today are cost-effective, versatile, and incredibly safe, and we're really excited to implement these into future projects.